natty girl, natty. I've been a natty girl, natty. I've been a natty girl, natty. I've been a natty, natty, natty. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my?
Hello everyone, my name is Daniel from class 11 PPLG1 and I am a student at SMK Cita Research. Today I will be sharing with you a summary of the novel Max Havelaar by Multatuli, whose real name is Edward Devastaker. This book is a significant piece of literature because it reveals the harsh realities of colonial exploitation in Indonesia during the 19th century. The novel Max Havelaar starts with the character Petavus Drogstoppel, a coffee trader in Amsterdam. He is a greedy and self-centered man who only cares about profits. One day, he meets an old acquaintance named Selamat, who gives him a manuscript. Although reluctant at first, the Drogstoppel starts reading the manuscript, which tells the story of Max Havelaar, a Dutch official in a Dutch East Indies, specifically in Lebak, Banten. Max Havelaar is portrayed as an idealistic and compassionate man who genuinely cares about the well-being of local people. When he arrived in Lebak, he witnessed the serf exploitation and oppression faced by the native Javanese people under the hand of both the local aristocracy and the colonial government. The local region and his official forced the villager to work on coffee plantation without fair payment, leading to widespread poverty and suffering. Havelaar tries to fight against this injustice by confronting the corrupt practice of the region. He writes reports to his superiors, hoping to bring attention to the abuse and to the end exploitation of the indigenous people. However, his efforts are met with resistance. The higher official and the colonial governments prioritize profit over justice, ignoring Havelaar complaints and even ridiculing him. As Havelaar continues his fight, he faces isolation and his pressures to conform to the corrupt system. His ideal clash with the interests of the colonial authorities and eventually he decides to resign from his position in protest, unable to tolerate the injustice in longer. The novel ends with a powerful appeal directly from the author, Multatuli, to the King of the Netherlands, demanding justice of the suffering Indonesian people. It's called a Dutch government to take responsibility and acknowledge the brutal consequence of their colonial policies. The impact of Max Havelaar was profound. It exposed the dark side of Dutch colonialism and sparked public outrage in the Netherlands. The book raised awareness about the suffering of the Indonesian people and became a symbol of anti-colonial sentiment. Although Devastaker, the author faced backlash for his criticism of the colonial system. His outspoken stand against the injustice eventually led the Dutch authorities to target him, limiting his influence and damaging his reputation. He spent his later years in poverty and isolation, but remained a symbol of resistance against colonial oppression. In conclusion, Max Havelaar is more than just a novel. It's a powerful statement against the exploitation and injustice faced by the people of Indonesia under colonial rule. It's a reminder of the importance of standing up for what's right, even when faced with powerful opposite. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.